Oh my goodness! It's a Mac attack! And this video is celebrating boxed macaroni and cheese. I'm hosting a collaboration with a lot of fun people, and everybody's requirement: take a box of macaroni and cheese, maybe not this big, and make something different and new. Well, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 things. I'm going to make an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. Let's get this box macaroni and cheese party started. To start, I'll be making these ranch and bacon macaroni and cheese cups. Start by grabbing that box of mac and cheese and make it according to directions. I've got it ready. Now let's add a few things. 1/2 cup of sour cream. A pack of ranch salad dressing mix. 1/4 cup of bacon pieces. 1 beaten egg. And 1 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to spoon that mix into the muffin tin. I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese on top of each one. I'm going to cook these in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Once out, let them sit in the pan for a few minutes. Ranch bacon macaroni and cheese cups. Love those crispy bits. The bacon is great. I can kind of taste the ranch dressing in there. But this is a fun way to celebrate macaroni and cheese. Let the Mac attack continue. For our entree, we'll be using a box of mac and cheese to make a special pizza macaroni and cheese casserole. You need 1 box. Cook those noodles. Drain it and set aside. In that same pan, I'm going to add some Italian sausage. 1 pound. I'm going to cook that with 1/2 a chopped onion and about 1 cup of frozen pepper strips. Add in those noodles. That cheese packet comes in next. And a jar of pizza sauce. Pour it in there and mix it together. Pour that into a prepared casserole dish. I'm adding on about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm topping it with pepperoni, just like you're topping a pizza. And a nice dusting of shredded Parmesan on top of that. And we're going to bake it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, it's out of the oven. Let's let it sit out for a bit. Macaroni and cheese pizza casserole. Wow. It's everything you needed in casserole. I'm loving that pepperoni and Italian sausage, and the mac and cheese in there just makes it feel extra comforting. It's a fun one. It is time for the grand finale of this Mac attack. I'm gonna be making macaroni and cheese ice cream. Let's try it. We need 2 cups of whipping cream. You won't need an ice cream maker for this recipe, but you will need a hand mixer. I'm gonna mix that up until I have some stiff peaks. I've got stiff peaks. I'm going to set that aside. In another bowl, I need a can of condensed milk. And then you need 2 cheese packets from inside your box of macaroni and cheese. Pour those in. And a teaspoon of turmeric for added color. I'm going to whisk that together. It's going to be a little thick. Slowly fold that into the whipped cream until fully incorporated. Wow, this is gonna be something, all right. Pour that fluffy mix into a loaf pan. I'm gonna cover it with a piece of parchment paper, and then I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for about 6 hours up to overnight. I gotta tell you, this isn't my first mac and cheese dessert. I've also made a mac and cheese cheesecake, as well as this blueberry mac and cheese crisp. That was very unique. Well, all done. Not sure what I get myself into, but it's fun to try these things. Take a look. There it is, ready for scooping. Oh yes, that looks good. I've cooked a little macaroni that I'm going to add on the side. Okay, let's go. It's definitely mac and cheese. It's not even too sweet. It's totally mac and cheese. And it's not bad. It's kind of like I'm eating cold mac and cheese. And it's better than expected. I'm so glad you could join me for this Mac Attack. Now, you know what? You can see even more mac and cheese creations by checking out the hashtag. Hashtag Mac Attack. Also, there's a link to a playlist in my description, and you'll see all the channels there. What do you call pasta that has a cold? Mac and sneeze.